Hi friends, as you all know, Edu Skills International is a free platform open mainly for who are struggling financially for preparing to write OET. Can join in this platform. Director is our father Saleen Joseph will direct and give good and excellent explanation about each and every modules. So everyone are welcome to this EduSkill platform. I am one of the EduSkill aspirant. So I have the experience, that is the experience in learning and gaining the knowledge from this platform. So friends, I am going to explain about the reading part C in detail with the new tips how to defeat the time and to get A plus in reading part C. Now I have already explained about the in previous video. This also some of the steps to remind us to defeat the time, the greatest enemy. OET always reminds us about our career, that because we are handling life and here the time is very important. Always in nursing, time is very important for life saving. Thank you and think like that. So, dear friends, as I am going to explain, please listen carefully and practice daily 1 to 2 more format continually. Then you will be able to understand how to prepare for reading part C. Once you listen this video, please don't forget to subscribe and enable the bell icon and to share this video to your friends so that let others also enrich and understand and the study in which they find difficult. Here I could say once you start love OET, as our father says, then you will see the miracle. So start loving OET from today. I support you with full confidence and courage. In this, if anyone need any help personal, I can help. Or once you are in the platform during discussion, you can clear your doubts. Before the exam, 1 week, how to start, how to prepare. That is first and foremost, listen father's video before all and each module. Father has explained in each module in detail. So listen first the father's video, then you go through the text. Do it 2 to 3 format regularly. Practice regularly and read carefully. Skim and scan the text carefully. Then you will see and you can defeat the time. You will see what is important, the headings, subheadings, and the scanning is the detailed reading. That is, we have to understand through scanning what is the writer's opinion, what is the meaning of the text. You will get it. So read carefully and the skim and scan. Skimming is for searching for the headings, subheadings, and names, then highlighting the words. So all this has to find out when you skim the text. So that is also that you have to notice in while you skim the text. That means skimming means read fast within seconds, means within fast reading, that is called skimming. Then scanning is that the read the paragraph carefully, each and everything, understand the meaning, the gist of the sentence, the opinion of the writer, and also what the writer's opinion in that, what he meant, what is the meaning of the sentence. And in reading part C, part 1 and 2, there will be no connections. So there will be those two, both are entirely different. So you will not see any connection. So the questions also will be asked according to that. In the previous video, I have explained that how to manage the time. Once you get the text, you have to number the paragraph mainly. So according to that, it goes number chronologically. That is it is according to the questions that it is coming down one by one will be. It is not going up and down. No, it is not. So we have to according to that only the questions also will be asked. So no need to go through whole text for every question. So each questions will be asked according to the paragraph wise. So you have to see that. You have to be very careful for that. Then in this video, it is a review for everyone to remember the keywords. There are 7 principles for the success of OET. The first one is synonyms. As everyone knows by now, the synonyms, what is synonyms? It is a different word which gives same meaning. So there will be different words given, but the meaning will be same in the text. So that is called synonyms. Then the comparison. Comparison and the contrast words will be there. Comparison means compare with someone or something. That is called comparison. So in the text it will be there mainly. According to the question, the text we have to go through. Then the contrast. Contrast is the however mainly. Though that word will be given in the text means we have to go for that. So after the contrast word, the answer will be. Answer will follow after the contrast word. So you should be very alert in that. When you read carefully. The third one is the scale. The scales are all, most, majority, many, few, a few. These are the words given. That is the scale. These are the clues given in the sentence. So if the clues are there, search for the clues when you skim and scan the text. So there are clues given in the paragraph to find out the answers. So we should be alert in finding out the clues. So that is called a scale. Then the fourth one is the modal verbs. Modal verbs are mainly should, can, must. Should will be always advisory. Someone will say you should go through, you should do that. Somebody is advising you, so you have to do it. Then the must means mandatory. Mandatory means you must do or you must follow the traffic rules. So that is mandatory means you must, means that is you have to. There is no options for it. You must do it. So that is called modal verbs. Then the time expressions, always, never, seldom. These are the time expressions will be given in the paragraph. So according to that also you have to find out. Then next is the reference. Sixth one is the references. References, you know that they will be refer somebody's words. They will quote with something. So in the paragraph it will be there. Then the last one is the seventh one is the negative meaning. That is not more than 2. That means only 2 you have to. That is the negative expressions. These are the expressions given negative. That is positively if you think means only 2. So negative expressions also, but the meaning will be positive. Should not do more than, should not take more than. So there should be not more than 2, not more than 1. So that will be the negative expression. So you should be very careful for. So dear friends, I hope you understand the simple tips and simple ways. Apply it in your studies while you prepare for OET. If you have any doubts in this, ask in the main platform Telegram group in Edu Skills. Thank you very much for listening, and don't forget to subscribe or enable the bell icon and share it with your friends. So thank you for listening this video carefully, and if you understood, if you like, share it with your friends, and that may those who are finding difficult will enrich, and those, and also it is an encouragement for me to give more and more explanations what I learned from father's video. So please encourage if you like this video, and also share it with others. Thank you very much for your listening, for your sharing your time. Thank you very much, and all the best for preparing OET with confidence and courage.